Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for a snowy, in Chicago, 7.5 inches in the city of snow so far, and we're getting more. And out east, it's going to be even worse on this Friday, the 28th of January, 2022. Well, we've had some economic data. Let's go to that first, and then we'll come to the boards. The employment cost came out, and it slipped a little bit from what was expected, but it's a little bigger year over year, as you can see. When you come to personal income, this is not matching inflation. So we're falling backwards in this. The consumption number, too, slipped back. So consumers started pulling back as the Omicron was hitting in December. That's the only way that I think you can look at it. The core PCE index, well, that came in right as expected. Year over year, the number's running a little bit hotter than it had in the past. So the consumers actually got a little less money, and inflation's picking up on them is the way to look at it. The PCE index month over month, that was good. It slipped a little bit, but year over year, it's a little bit bigger. And we're going to see how people feel at about 9 o'clock this morning when the University of Michigan comes out. Now, I am of the opinion the market, the stock indices, are fighting to make a trade bottom. That is the feel that I get out of the chart, and feel being how the market goes down to the lower Bollinger Band and keeps bouncing away from it. So that's the first thing I'm looking at. You're putting in more of a premium in the energies as concerns are mounting like there's no tomorrow about Russia, what they're going to do, demand, and the fact that it appears that OPEC Plus is, other than 4 producers, very much tapped out. They can't meet the goals that they're setting for themselves. U.S., wake up, shale producers, Biden administration. This is an opportunity. Take advantage of it. When you look at the grain market, look at the soybeans taking off right now. Weather conditions, South America, what's going on as well. Again, world supplies of grains if Russia makes a move. Bonds and notes, you can see they are adding something to that. I don't know if you saw the craziness that happened yesterday in the expiration of natural gas, but the market went up at one point 70%. Now I want you to hear what I said. 70% in value, and finished off 46% higher. So you've got the other months chasing that value. It was probably more of a squeeze play than anything else. On the metal markets, I've been looking for copper to get weak. It is. You've got the lunar holiday coming up, so I'll be looking at that in a major way to see when the demand comes back in. But when you take everybody in China and you tell them as a country, hey, go on holiday for a week, it's pretty difficult to say, hey, demand's going to pick up, ports get less action on them, traders are certainly gone. But where they're all going, I don't know if they stay in a lockdown in China, so that gets confusing. On the foreign currency market, the dollar is holding on to a pretty good bid right here as the Fed has the dollars back. How do you like that? That's one way to look at it. Now, I talk about this and a lot more in my full research. Let me tell you what I do in case you're not aware of it. Twice a day, Monday through Thursday, I put out a minimum of 2 updates, sometimes 3 with special updates. I write about what I see in the market. I write it in a way that's easy to read. The idea is to keep it to a 2-minute read, no more than that. Why? Your time's important and you don't want to keep reading and reading. I can cover more detail in my videos. So I back up what I'm writing with video pictures for you. So the morning futures video, not this one, my subscriber videos, that is where the meat of what I do lays itself out, the combination. Then from that video, I update at 11:30 in the morning in writing what I think you should alter with it. So I'm not going to do another video at that point. At the end of the day, as you know, I put my market wrap-up videos on. I think video is the way to go, way over writing. I think you can cover so much more with it. Now, I'd like to give you free access to what my people pay for a short period of time. You decide, does this fit in with your trading style? How do you do this? It's simple. You can either call my staff. Here's the phone number, 866-973-2077. And/or you can just go to the website on the top left when you get to www.iraepstein.com. On the top left, you'll see free offerings. Take advantage of it. I'm Ira. Remember that over the weekend, I will do your videos, the weekend video, where I'll try to cover for you the weekend charts. Gives you the longer picture for a lot of traders that like to keep up with all these markets. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day. Snowy one, I'm thinking, and I will talk to most of you over the weekend. Take care.